test cases I want to execute are 10 to 15. 15 test cases are there in one class. In create customer, there are 15 test cases. I want to execute only, okay, I want to execute only this create customer with task name because recently I have raised the defect and the developer has fixed the defect. Okay, I know that other things will work fine, but I want to check. I don't have time, and I want to check only this feature. Only create customer with a task name. I want to check. So I want to run only that test case. How to achieve that? Okay, go to that particular class and then use a tag names called methods. Okay, you have to use a tag name called methods. Means inside the class, take only run, include only this method, include only this method to execute. That is what they tell. Inside this class, there can be n number of test cases. I want to execute only this test case. Test case in the sense what? Test methods. One method, one test case. Okay. So I want to execute only this test class. Only the test case. So I will do this. In real time, we never use that. Okay. But this is also part of the future. In interview, they may ask you, you should know this. Okay. This is how we're going to achieve what? Regional regression testing. Okay. No need of changing any group name, nothing. No group name is not at all required. Here in this case, I want to execute only one test case out of 15. Okay, how to achieve? Here. Shall I give multiple next case? Give one more, include tag like this. You can also give multiple like this. You have to include like this. You have to include like this. Names you have to include. Okay. Ask me. If you have any other doubts in regional regression testing, ask me. Okay, fine.
But here we use method tag to mention that text method. Then why we use that include or exclude?
No, that is what inside method means. I am telling that. Okay, I am telling that there are many methods. I am telling that only execute this method. Why they are giving include means they have given one more option called exclude. Okay, you can include also, you can exclude also. If I use inside method only, if I use any name, I cannot use the perform that action. Exclude I cannot do. Exclude means what? Except this, execute all. Include means what? Include means what? Only execute this. Okay. That is how they have designed. I cannot, we cannot ask them why they have to do like that. But because of this reason only, they have added like this. Okay. We are telling that method. Okay. We are telling you include only this method. You include only this method. You include only this methods. Except that you don't execute others. Same way applicable for exclude also. You exclude these methods, except this, execute all the methods. Get it?
Yes,
am I clear or not, or your doubt is something different?
No. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir?
That is what regional how to achieve regional regression testing. In few companies, they will not ask you how to achieve regional regression testing. They will ask you out of 10 test cases, I want to execute only one test case. How do you perform this? Then this is the option. Okay, it is not like regional regression. No. Okay, they may ask you the questions in different ways. But at the outline, you should know how to achieve this. Out of 15 test cases, or out of 5 test cases or 10 test cases in a class, how to execute only one test case by using this. So how? Well, by this. Okay, by using method tag and include that. That's it. Okay. And next thing, it is parallel execution. In parallel execution, yesterday, what do you mean by parallel execution? Executing in multiple test cases, multiple processes at the same time, concurrently or simultaneously. Testing we provide two types. One is distributed parallel execution, one more is cross process testing or compatibility parallel. What do you mean by distributed distributed parallel execution. Okay, means assume that we have 1,000 test cases. I want to, if I execute 1,000 test cases, okay, let me show you the diagram. Okay, we have 1,000 test cases. Normally we used to execute in one thread. Means only one browser open and execute. If I execute 1,000 test cases in one browser, okay, in single thread it will execute, okay, all the test cases by taking approximately 10 hours. Okay, it depends. It depends upon your test steps. Everything it will depend. Okay, it may take up, it may go up to 20 hours also. Okay, approximately I'm telling it is taking 10 hours. But if I want to execute or if I want to result, I want the result established in production time, will not be having that much time. Okay, whenever the build is going to deploy the production or whenever they are going to release the product to the production, okay, they will not be having that much time. Okay, for that, in that case, I can use this feature. Okay, I can use this feature. What is this? Is 1,000 test cases executing in one test block. Instead of that, I will copy the test blocks like this. One test block only. I was having only one test block. I will copy and paste it into two. That is one thing. Then you have to give the test name. That is very, very important. Okay, test name should be different. You give any name. Okay, it's okay, fine. And also parallel will be none will be there by default. Or if nothing is there, you have to create an attribute called parallel equals test. Means I am telling that how many number of test blocks are there, you create that many threads and execute simultaneously in that threads. Shall I give 3? Yes, you can also give. You have 4 means you can also give. Shall I give 4? Yes. One class in one test block. You can also execute. Maximum how many blocks are allowed? 4 blocks are allowed. That's it. Maximum 4 blocks are allowed. Totally 4 blocks. Names also you have to give. Okay, test block 1, test block 2, 3. You can also give that. 4 also you can create. Okay, in the first block, only run create. Okay, create this. Modify customer. Okay, I will give here delete customer in this one. Shall I give like this? Yes, same maintenance it will execute.
Can we give methods name instead of class name here in distributing the blocks of the test cases?
Yes. You can also give method names also. Okay. This is also allowed. You can also give method names. Normally we never do like that. We'll never do like. We'll not do that thing. Okay. Because this is for what is this? For compatible test. Means executing all the test cases. Okay. 1,000 test cases we are executing. Okay, but yes, that option will be there. It doesn't depends on any other option. Yes, you can use inside the class. Here you can give methods. If you want to execute only one method, one test method or one test case in this create customer.
Okay, got it. Yes, sir.
Go on with that. Okay. But in real time, we never will not do it. So this is for executing all the test cases. Okay.
Okay.
In different threads, it will open 4 browsers. Okay. Okay. How many blocks we have? 4. So it will open 4 browsers and execute 4. Right. Simultaneously, it will execute create customer in one browser. In another browser, it will execute modify customer. In another browser, it will execute search, and in another browser, it will execute simultaneously. It will execute and in real time. Assume that here out of 1,000 test cases, I will give here 1 to 250, 250 to 500, 500 to 750, 750 to 1,000. Okay, normal in real time. Okay, not real time. In test staging will allow like this 5 blocks or maximum. Okay, we never go more than 2 actually, because it will make use of the test to. It will be very huge burden for the system. Chances are there system may crash. Okay, like example, whenever you play any games with small configuration system, it may hangs. Okay, this hangs means what? It is the crash. So that is the reason. Okay, we'll never go for more than 2, maximum 2 or 3. That's it. Okay? But this is also possible. You can also do like this. Now, instead of taking, if I do like this, if it is taking 10 hours, means if I divide it into 4 parts and execute simultaneously, I will get the result in 3 hours. 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Half an hour here and there. That's it. Just to save the time, we will do this. Okay. We are going to achieve, we are going to use, okay, make use of this. Are you guys getting any doubts in distributed parallel execution? We are distributing the load. Okay, instead of running in one like this, instead of running in one thread, instead of executing 1 to 1000 test cases in one browser, simultaneously it will open 2 Chrome browser, 1 to 500 test cases will execute in one Chrome browser, another Chrome browser it will execute 500 to 1000. This is called as what? Distributed parallel execution. How to achieve this? Actually, one test block having 4 test cases, 4 classes. Okay. Now I will copy and paste it. I will remove 2 here. I will remove 2 here. Okay. Here create customer, search customer. Here delete customer, not customer. I'll put like. Then I will change the name test 1, test 2, and give parallel equals none. There is one more thing called thread count. It is not mandatory. Few people will use thread count will be equal to 2 like that. Okay. Few people will also use. Means what is the meaning of this is here 2 blocks are there. So this is not mandatory because automatically test engine will create how many number of blocks are there, that much threads it is going to create. Okay. So this is not mandatory. Thread count equals. Okay, not to worry about the thread count. Okay, any doubts in distributed parallel execution before going to cross browser text? Tell me.
Sir, here taste name is equal to like taste 1, taste 2. That the reason parallel equal to taste, or always it will keep parallel equal to taste only.
No, always parallel equals text only. Shall I give classes also? Yes. You can also run classes parallelly also. That is also allowed. Okay, whatever you want. Test means what is the reason why I am giving test here means I am creating 1 or 2 blocks.
Sir, we can give any name here, right? In parallel equal to.
No. See, that is what I'm trying to say. You cannot give any name. No. What is the meaning of tests means here how many test blocks we have. Okay, we are giving more than 1 test block. That is the meaning. Means you execute. Okay, you execute based on the test.
It's a convention or it's a rule, sir?
It's a rule. It's a rule. Okay, we are telling that you execute based on the test blocks. Okay, parallelly means okay, execute this test block or this test block simultaneously. That is the meaning. Okay. Actually, yes. Shall I give classes also? Yes. You can also give classes also. Then you have to divide based on the classes. It will execute classes parallelly. Classes blocks you have to divide. Okay. You have to give 1 more classes blocks like that. Then you have to divide. Then it will run classes blocks. Classes are also allowed. Methods also I can give. Okay, methods. Shall I give methods here? Yes. It will execute the methods parallelly. Okay, but not to worry about those things. As of now, learn this. This is more than because this cross-browser testing only and distributed only we never do in real time. Okay, we never do it in the real. Reason is we'll not get the time for normal executing and writing test cases only. But that is also possible. Okay, that is also possible. But we will never do based on the classes. No, we will always do it based on the test blocks only. On the test blocks, we will do it. Even though if we are doing max to max. Okay, getting next. Okay. Parallel test means what? How many test means test blocks? Test means test blocks. Execute this test block and this test block simultaneously, parallelly, at the same time. That is a meaning. Okay. Any doubts? Ask before going to cross-browser testing. We'll go to cross-browser testing. Any doubts? Okay, put it in called cross-browser testing or compatibility testing. We'll see how to achieve cross-browser testing or compatibility. Okay. Let it be like that. Let it be like that. Or else I will move to one second. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Just give me a second. I'll tell you.
It's moved.
We'll see that there is one test case called create customer. What is this cross-browser testing? First, I will tell you. Cross-browser testing means cross-browser testing means executing the same test case or 1,000 test cases in different browsers. Okay, different browsers. Okay, I want to execute 1,000 test cases in Chrome also, Firefox also, IE also, simultaneously. Okay, how to achieve this? In order to achieve this, till now we have used all the parameters, all the annotations except one annotation. Okay, except one annotation, we have used not one, two annotations. We have used almost all the annotations in the test engine, whatever the annotations I have given for you. Almost we have used everything. Okay, before suit I will tell you what are the annotations we have not used. Okay, one is @ before suit. Okay, same way @ after suit. Okay, and before suit and after suit both are used in open DB connection. Okay, for this you should know JDBC. JDBC is required. Okay, and this after suit is used for closed DB connection, database connection. Okay, before suit is used for opening the DB connection. Okay, after suit is used for closing the DB connection. Why is before suit at any cost You cannot execute more than one, and it is not allowed. Only one before suit, one after suit is allowed, and it will be executed only once at any given point. Okay. Now there are few more annotations. Okay, called @parameter. @parameters. Okay, and one more is @data provider. @data provider. Now I will tell you what is this. Okay, once the framework is done, okay, while explaining the framework, I will take one example, and that time I will show you how to use this @data provider. Okay. I cannot show you before suit and after suit because for that we need one DB connection. Okay, only for DB connection we will use it. Shall I use it for others? Yes, you can also use before suit instead of before test also. If you are using only one time, if you want to execute, then I can use instead of before test, I can also use before suit. There is no other for opening the browser and closing the browser. Okay. Whenever you want to execute only once, then go for before suit. But in real time, we will be using only for that purpose actually. Okay, there is one annotation called @parameters. Okay, there is an annotation called @parameters. Why it is used is, why this annotation is used is, whenever you want to pass, I want to pass, one second, I want to pass some data. Okay, I want to pass some data from this suit file. I want to pass one data from the suit file to the test method or to the base class of any configuration, any annotation. Okay, whenever you want to pass any information from the suit file to the annotations, then it can be any annotation. Also, @test, @before method, after method, like that you can pass it to. You can pass the information to any annotations. Okay, how to use that? I will show. Okay, one second. Let me convert. Right click. One second. I will convert this package. Okay, see here. Now I have removed each and everything. Now I have only one class called create customer. In that create customer test case is there. That's now I want to execute this create customer test case in both the browsers simultaneously. In Firefox also, in Chrome also. How to achieve this? Okay. Now for that, go to now let me convert. Right click. Go to test engine. Convert to test engine. In real time, 1000 test cases I want to execute in Chrome also, in Firefox also simultaneously. Okay. Let me click on finish. Okay. Let me click on finish. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now I want to execute this same create customer in Chrome also, Firefox also. For that, you have to use one tag name called parameter here. Okay, you have to use syntax. Okay, this is syntax, guys. Okay, there also we are using include for methods on same way, similar way. That is also syntax. This is also syntax. Okay, parameter. Okay, name equals browser. Means I am passing this browser information from here to where? To this suit file or anywhere. I will tell you. From this suit file to some test classes I want to pass. Name equals browser. Value equals Chrome. CHROME Chrome. What is this? Is how it will pass? It will pass browser equals Chrome. It will pass like that. How to pass? If you want to pass browser equals Chrome, parameter name equals browser, value equals Chrome. Means it is nothing but it's like, okay, what we are going to pass string browser equals value. Okay, if you want to pass like this, sorry, Chrome, CHROM. If you want to pass like this, then you have to use like this. Okay, name parameters. Okay. If you pass here, it will receive. How to receive? How to receive? Anywhere I want to receive. I want to receive this in the base class. Let me go to base class. I want to receive this browser app. That parameter I want to receive it here. I will put above the before method. Okay, we will put parameters parameters. Okay, browser. You have to give like this. Okay. Showing error, place your cursor on the error. Change to what? Where is test engine? Parameters from test engine. Select this. Okay. Then here you have to, we can pass. Okay. It will receive this annotation will receive from suit file to here. Then how to use it? You can use it inside the method. Okay. You can use it. Hey guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, because Abdullah Kumari has posted that are not audible. Okay, please check your. Okay, fine. Now I want to how to use it inside the method. There I am passing where in the suit file, but here received. Then you have to use it now. You have to use it after receiving this annotation is used for receiving the parameter from the suit file. There you have provided here received, then you have to use it. How to use it? Here you give string browser. Okay, then you can use it inside the method anywhere. Okay, means what is this? Browser will be holding Chrome. Browser will be having Chrome value. Browser will be holding what? Chrome value. Then you can use it anywhere. How to pass? I showed you. Now, what is the real usage? Why I am passing like this? Now, I want to, in order to achieve, one second, in order to achieve, I want to execute this one test case in two browsers simultaneously. Firefox also, Chrome also. Then how to achieve this? What I will do, I will copy this test block. See, this is similar to what almost distributed parallel execution, but there will distribute the load, but here we are executing same test cases in different loads. Okay? Then I will give it here. If it is already there, it's fine. Then if not, then give it like this. Parallel equals TSTS. Test means what? Execute in two threads. In one thread, execute this, another thread, execute this. Then give the name. Test block 1. Here also same thing. Test block 2. Here you are giving what? Chrome. Here you are giving Firefox. Give it Firefox. Okay. In one time you are passing Chrome. In second time you are passing Firefox. Both will be received. Where will be received? Okay, where it will be received means wherever you have provided at the rate parameter. Now, first time it will pass Chrome value, second time it will pass Firefox. Now, I want to execute same set of test cases in Chrome also, in Firefox also. So what I will do, I will apply that runtime polynomial technique. Now you will come to know actual usage of this WebDriver. Why I am using WebDriver here? Okay, why are we using WebDriver till today? We are everywhere using WebDriver now. Why? I will tell you. See here now. If I use WebDriver, I can run the same 1000 test cases in Chrome also, Firefox also, any device. Okay. Now I will do here. If what is this browser? It's a variable having value called Chrome also, Firefox. Now I will put here browser dot equals. Okay, browser dot equals. Guys, observe this carefully. Even if you miss one thing, I cannot repeat this. It's a very lengthy process. Okay. Even though I give the notes, if you miss one thing, it's very difficult. equals, I will put equals Chrome. Okay, if it is equal to Chrome, you open the Chrome browser and exit. Okay, then else. Second time we are passing Firefox. No, else. If
Not equal.
browser
Not ends with
is equal to Firefox. Okay, then it will become okay. What driver is equal to new Firefox.
So you have used method ends with equals instead of equals.
Now what ends? What ends? Okay. It will open Firefox. Okay. Are you guys getting? Okay. Now if I execute, okay, it will open Chrome also and execute create customer. It will open Firefox also and execute which one?
So we have to give set property. We have to set the properties for in static block for Firefox also, right?
Correct. We have to use system set property. Let me give that also.
Okay, sir.
Once we'll execute. Today we'll execute and show you. Simultaneously dash to execute. Okay. Let me put also. Yes, we have to give. Okay. Thanks for remembering that. Okay. Echo driver and here also same. Echo driver dot exe. Check that whether echo driver is present inside the driver folder. Both should be there. Chrome is also there. Echo is also there. Path set is done. Let me analyze this. Then I will try to execute. 1 second. See here, go to suit file. Okay, here 2 blocks are there, so it will create 2 threads. In first thread, I am passing what? Chrome value. So
Chrome.
it will execute in Chrome. The second thread. Okay, how will it execute? I am passing Firefox, so it will execute in Firefox. How it will execute? Whatever you are passing, it will be received. First time, you are passing what? Browser equals Chrome. So here also browser will be equal to Chrome. That will be received here. Okay, then here it will become browser equals Chrome. Then it will check. Is it browser equals Chrome? Yes. So it will open Chrome browser and execute remaining things. Okay, then second time, then you're passing Firefox here. It will be received by this parameter. Now browser equals what? Firefox. So it will check. It will, is it browser is equals Firefox? No, it will come to else. Is it browser is equals to Firefox? Yes. So it will open Firefox. Okay, now let me execute this super file. Now it has to execute in both the things. Save. Okay, it is already saved. Let me see. Whatever the mistakes we have done, we'll fix it. If it throws any error, let us execute this. It has to execute both. Okay, Chrome, sorry, 1 second. Not done. Create customer extends what? Not done for that. Create customer should be extends 1 second. Go to create customer. It has to extend what? In real time, every test case, every test class should extend
browser.
Or else it will not open the browser. Extends page. Okay, done. Import base class. Throwing error. Place your cursor on the error. Import. Okay, done. Next step. Next step. What is the next step? Go to TestNG, create source file. Done. Is created. Now execute this. We'll see that whether it is going to execute in both the same time. Okay. Chrome is little bit faster, guys. Okay, when compared to Firefox, Chrome is very fast. Okay. See, now it is started executing Firefox. See, this is Firefox. This is Chrome. Are you able to see? Here, Chrome. Now it will launch. The browser will open now. Both the browsers will open simultaneously. Okay. Or Chrome will be opened first because Chrome is very fast. See, Chrome is open. See, Chrome is open. Now it will open Firefox also. I will show you. Okay. See here, backend. In the backend, it will open Firefox. Everyone able to see? Here, this is Firefox. Open Firefox. Chrome already started executing. Open the browser, done. Enter the URL also. Chrome. Okay, simultaneously it will execute both the tests. Firefox, first time it will take more time, second time onwards it will be executed. Okay. One second, I will check it out. It is taking more time for loading. It is loaded. See here, it will enter the username, enter the password, see, enter the username password. Click on login outside Chrome. Okay. In Firefox, let me see. Okay, I will check it out once. In Firefox, it's still trying to enter the URL. It will click on logout also. Execute create customer, then it will click on logout also. Okay, didn't click on the logout. It's throwing error. See, that's the reason browser is not closed. Browser is not closed. Okay, we'll see. Done. Execution is done. Go to Eclipse. Okay, execution is done. Okay, Firefox, something wrong in the Firefox, we'll fix the issue once. Let us go to console. See here. Create customer got executed in where? Chrome. Two filers. What is this filer? We'll see. Console is not giving any details. So go to the report. Okay. Go to the refresh first. How to see the report?
Annotation, automation, right-click, refresh.
Go to test output folder, then click on emailable icon report, and now we'll see what error it is. WebDriver connection refused. Version. Okay. Let me maximize the browser. Base class. I want to maximize the browser. Here. Okay. And give the implicit weight also. Driver. How to give the implicit weight? Driver dot manage dot
Window dot
window.
Time.
Implicitly weight n comma time unit comma seconds. Okay, maximize the browser also. Okay, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, window dot maximize. Okay. Now let me execute one more time. Okay, first let me check it out. Firefox is working properly. Okay, without Chrome, let me execute only test case in Firefox. whether it is giving executing in Firefox. Let me execute only in Firefox. And before that, let me check whether it is locally installed. This one or not. 1 second. Give me a second. I will check whether ActiTime is installed locally because it is taking more time than that. Okay, it is working, but locally I have deleted. Okay, fine. Let me execute one more time now. Okay, same thing. Let me execute. Okay, this time it is opening what? Okay, here see Chrome, Moz Runner. Here you can see that is Firefox. Okay, now Chrome got opened. See maximized also. Okay, it will open Firefox now and exit. See, logged in also. Sorry, enter the URL also in Chrome. In Firefox, check it out. See, Firefox also open. In Firefox also it is running. In Chrome also it is running. Here also enter the URL. Here also enter the URL. This time it is okay. Enter the URL in both the browsers. It will log in. It will open the login page. Enter the URL. Enter the password. Click on the login button and then click. I don't know why my ActiTime is very slow in my system. I don't know why. If I open it manually, it is working faster. Anyone can check it out simultaneously whether ActiTime is running faster or not. Maybe in my network, I need to check it out with a different network. If you automate it, then it takes a lot of time to load, but manually it is very fast. Same for you also. Oh, okay. Manually logged in. Enter the username, enter the password, click on login also. Then it will click on log out. Execute the create customer. Customer will be created, then at last close. Log out now, and then it will close. See, log out button is clicked. See, we got login button, login page closed. After getting login page, again closed. Now it is still executing in Firefox. Okay, Firefox also got closed. Okay, it failed in Firefox. Oh no. Oh, Firefox also it is executed. When we are looking at the Chrome, no, the backend Firefox also got executed because here I got successful. 1 second. To create customer should be there. See here. You can see to create customer. Here also, here also. Okay. Take down these notes. This is how we're going to achieve what? Cross browser testing. Take down the notes. I will explain one more. Okay, I will tell you how it is working both. 1 second. 1 second. Don't take it down. See here. What is this asking is okay. Okay, I am given okay. Different condition. Okay. Here. Okay. here, okay, I have given if it's actually either it should work or else should work. Yes, it is working like that. Reason is here, okay, you are giving parallel equals test means first time it will execute. Simultaneously it is executing. Okay, simultaneously, but one by one it will pass. It will pass Chrome also, it will pass Firefox also. Both it is passing. It is not passing only one. If you pass only one, either if will work or else will work. Here we are passing two values, so it will, okay, assume that, okay, first time it will pass Chrome, so it will execute this. Second time it is passing Firefox, so it will execute else. Getting? Okay, thank you.
The username and password of FT9.
Pass clear pass. From the property.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
As shown.
First name you given, second you given.
This is suit file. If I want the URL of test.ng.
Okay, I will give it one second. For example, if you have forgot, yes, you guys can leave for the day. If you don't have any doubts, sometimes taking the notes, you people can leave for. Okay, if you go here, instant new software, click it here. If you already entered one time, you will get it. Okay. Let me paste the URL. This is the URL, guys.